Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch your favorite shows on the Netflix platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to install the Netflix application from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Go ahead and search for this application using the search box and tap on the install button, and once Netflix has been installed, go ahead and open it up. Now you might be asked to log into your account using your credentials, and if you don't already have an account, you can sign up to create a new one. Once you have signed up or logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through the various different shows within the Netflix platform. Now if you want to search for your favorite shows, you can tap on the search box at the top right corner and you will be allowed to type the name of your show that you want to search for. Just type in the show name, and once you find the show, you can tap on it, and now in order to start watching the show, you can tap on the play button and this will immediately begin playing your show. You can also tap on the download option if you wish to download the episodes and watch them even when you are offline. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to watch your favorite shows on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.